a woman, a police officer, a death in the snow, and a town torn apart. Is Karen Reid a killer or a scapegoat in a larger cover-up? Today, we break down the explosive case that shocked Massachusetts and captured national attention. Welcome to Backstory News. In this video, we're diving into the high-profile case of Karen Reid, accused of killing her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, a Boston police officer. What started as a tragic accident has spiraled into allegations of police corruption, tampered evidence, and a divided community. Who was John O'Keefe? John O'Keefe, 46, was a well-respected Boston police officer with over 16 years on the force. Known as calm, quiet, and devoted to his family, especially his niece and nephew, whom he helped raise after his sister's death. He had been dating Karen Reid for about 2 years. On January 29, 2022, he was found unresponsive in the snow outside a home in Canton, Massachusetts. He later died from his injuries. Karen Reid, his girlfriend, was soon charged with second-degree murder. What happened that night? According to prosecutors, Karen Reid dropped O'Keefe off at 34 Fairview Road, home of another Boston police officer, for a party, then allegedly backed into him with her SUV while turning around, leaving him in the snow to die. They claim she had been drinking and was arguing with O'Keefe. But Karen Reid's defense tells a very different story. They say John was beaten after he entered the house, and that multiple officers inside were part of a cover-up to protect their own. Reid's team points to alleged inconsistencies in the autopsy, cell phone data, and even a broken taillight allegedly planted at the scene after the fact. Evidence and allegations. The prosecution's key evidence includes a broken taillight fragment found near John's body, text messages from Reid allegedly saying, "I hit him, I hit him," her car's damage, and phone records. But Reid's defense argues the messages were taken out of context. The taillight wasn't there in initial crime scene photos. The injuries don't match a car accident. They suggest that O'Keefe entered the house and was possibly beaten by people inside, then placed back outside to make it look like a hit and run. Public outcry and conspiracy theories. The case has divided the small town of Canton and beyond. Many believe Karen Reid is being set up, pointing to suspicious behavior by Canton police and alleged conflicts of interest. Some of the officers involved in the investigation were friends with people at the party. There's even speculation that the crime scene was staged. The story has gone viral, especially on TikTok, Reddit, and YouTube, where the hashtag #FreeKarenReid has gained millions of views. Activists have marched outside courthouses demanding transparency. Legal battle and what's next? Karen Reid has pleaded not guilty. Her lawyers have asked for the case to be dismissed multiple times, but the court has moved forward with trial. The jury is now deliberating whether this was a tragic accident or something far darker. If convicted, Reid could face life in prison. If acquitted, expect a wave of lawsuits, investigations, and possibly deeper probes into police misconduct. Conclusion. Was Karen Reid a jealous girlfriend with a deadly temper, or a whistleblower caught in a web of lies? We may not know the whole truth yet, but one thing is clear. This case isn't just about one night. It's about trust, justice, and the institutions we rely on. For more updates on this case and other untold backstories, make sure to subscribe to Backstory News.